Niruhusu ni kukate ulimi kidogo tuelekee mahakamani ambapo Jane Kihara amefikishwa sasa hivi kuweza kusikia naye anawasilishwa na madai gani na mashtaka yepi katika mahakama hiyo ya Milimani. Awali alifikishwa pale lakini akaondolewa kwa njia ambazo hazikueleweka. Lonzo Musyoka ni mmoja mawakili ambao wanazungumza katika kesi hiyo.
Good morning.
We have Counsel Kihara.
Good morning.
Good morning, Counsel.
We have Counsel Malemba Daniel.
Present.
We have Counsel Nyamu Boniface.
Present, Your Honor.
But Senior Counsel, sorry for interrupting.
Yes.
Some of your advocates are not properly dressed, yeah? So you can mention them for purposes of record, but they will not address the court.
I think it's the agency of this matter.
Oh, okay.
We will comply.
Okay, thank you.
We have Counsel Mbunge
Present.
Okay.
We have Counsel Magetro Miller.
Okay. Yeah, we take it.
Oh, you seem to have met before.
Yeah, just earlier today in the other court, yeah. Mm.
We have Counsel Ngera Alex.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay.
That is the team on my side, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, thank you, Senior Counsel. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor, once again.
Good morning to you, Counsel, once again. Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes, Senior Counsel.
We have just seen copy of the alleged charge sheet. And Honorable Jane Kihara is supposed to take a plea. The charge of offensive conduct conducive to breach of the peace, contrary to section 94.1 of the Penal Code, chapter 63, laws of Kenya. With a casual glance, Your Honor, at this alleged charge, and we will be moving you, inviting you not to allow the Honorable Jane Kihara to take the plea, because we believe this is nothing short of pure political persecution. Your Honor, the freedom of press and expression is expressly provided for under our Constitution 2010. The words that are highlighted here fall within the category of free speech, free expression. They do not disclose any offense of any type. And if it is that men and women, members of parliament like Honorable Jane Kihara, Your Honor, if it is that they were to be arraigned in court, some have said worse things. Some have even on record as saying they were going to transport goons to make sure that Sabasaba did not happen. And they've never been arraigned. We have, for example, Honorable Kamke, a member for Baringo East, declared openly.
Sorry, Your Honor. It's very unfortunate that I have to rise when senior counsel is speaking, but we have an objection to make. Senior counsel, if you allow me.
Yes, but this is just opening remarks, because you're just trying to point out selective persecution of political leaders. This is nothing. Nothing, Your Honor. Nothing short of political persecution, which this country cannot accept.
You know, we have a concern with that.
Senior counsel, I think you made your point.
Yes, we were just going to ask, not even in the nature of the opening speech, but it is based on a lot of factual allegations that senior counsel, being from the bar, cannot present to court without an affidavit. So we would plead that we go straight to the issue without the conundrum of factual matrix, which we are not able to respond to without an affidavit, so that we are on a very disadvantaged position.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Counsel, I hear you. Your Honor, I hear him. I take that objection. But even as I do, others are even on record as saying publicly, public notice. I think court should take judicial notice of that. Even prepared to steal the next elections. And they have not been brought in. We live in the same country, equal rights. We do not have citizen A and citizen B categories. And therefore, I invite my colleagues to argue against this plea taking and to ask Your Honor, be released unconditionally to go and serve the people of our constituency, Naivasha. We are happy that you found the time, because we are afraid, this being a Friday, the intention of our colleagues on this side was to detain her until Monday. But thank you for finding the time. We think that this is not the way to run a country, Your Honor. Thank you.
But Senior Counsel, you know court sits on Fridays, yeah? So your operation, in as much as you should not worry, we sit on Fridays, yeah? Okay.
Thank you. Let me just answer you. My name is Jane Kihara. And if it pleases you, I'll address you very, very briefly on the basis of why we are asking for deferment of the taking of the plea.
Bila shaka ni kesi inayofungamana naye Jane Kihara hiyo katika mahakama ya Milimani. Tutarudi pale baadaye kuweza kusikia mawakili na kutoka kwa upande wa mashtaka, anashtakiwa kwa mashtaka gani, yote yanayojiri pale. Takujuza. Kalonzo Musyoka, Ndegwa Njiru na wengineo ni baadhi ya wanasheria ambao wanamwakilisha Jane Kihara, mbunge wa Naivasha huyo. Na niwahusishe pia wachanganuzi wangu kuhusiana na swala hilo. Tunaona kwamba wanaomkosoa